Okay, somewhere a little different than starting in Denver all the time or where we end up going, but I'm here in Salt Lake City and I'm going to Orlando. This is a red-eye flight. Here like 3 hours early, but gonna check my bag right here. So as soon as I got into the airport to check my bag, I was informed that the flight on JetBlue was canceled hours and hours ago. Whatever. They say weather. Never got notified, never had anything. So they rebooked me for a day later. And I don't live here, so I have nowhere to go. I'm supposed to be at Disney World tomorrow. I bought tickets for that. I have a hotel that I paid for to stay in tomorrow. So it'd be like all that stuff just up in thin air. Doesn't matter. And there's no weather where they, like right now they say it's in New York, the plane's there. And you look in New York, there's nothing there. It's totally whatever. But they're like, well, hours ago there was storms. And I'm like, well, it could take off right now. It could just be here late. They could care less. They won't do anything. All they will do is rebook me on a different flight or just give me all my money back. So that's what I did. And I'm taking a Spirit flight, which checks in right here. Tomorrow morning. It takes off at 6:30. Right now, I'm going to go over here with my bag because I can't check in my bag. There's nobody there, as you saw. And I'm going to try to sleep because it's, I don't know, like 6-8 hours away from when this flight takes off. So I slept right there. Woke up about 10-15 minutes ago. Checked my bag in here. I look horrible, I know. I'm super tired. I think I got maybe 3 hours worth of sleep since trying to sleep. It took a lot longer than I would have thought. But oh well, here we are. Plenty of time. Those are fine. Say they're boarding at 5:45. And it's on time, so that's great. Our gate's way down there, just the next one, but this has a good view of our airplane.
Attention at the concourse area for Spirit guests traveling 1789 to Orlando. Make your way gate B15, Bravo 15.
Here we go. Hey Mason, hey Cam. Thomas break. That's weird. She called me back and I was like, are you sure? And she was like, oh sorry, you can go. I have no idea what that was about. That's your plane. We're sitting in the back. There's very little leg room. It's like, oh, super close. It's so yeah, hopefully these people here, or whoever that person is, would let me sit there. I'm gonna ask. Finally getting off the plane. Probably landed an hour ago. Oh, man.
I think you're good, Nemo. I think you're fine.
Have a good day. Thanks so much.
Yep. Then there's a girl that's like yelling at us. She's on the phone speaking in some other language. It's crazy. What a joy today has been.
Hold on the handrail. The doors are now closing. Please stand clear of doors and hold on the handrail. Navigation is the reality in parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found in our arts, small business, each remain. Please watch your step.
This is all the people waiting to get through security. Jeez. Okay, baggage claim's down there. I'm gonna walk over here though and try to get something to eat. I see a macaroni grill. Don't really want to sit down though. I've never heard of this place, but it says it's America's freshest ice cream. There's nobody there eating it. Need better marketing than a slogan. I'm checking in. This is the resort I'm staying at actually. It's a Sheraton. But on my way to my room, I found this guy. So I thought I'd get that really quick. There's a huge waterfall over there. I'm over here to the left apparently. It's like just getting done raining. You know, it's that time of day where it builds up, it rains. There's the water I was talking about, waterfall, whatever. All right, that's where I'm staying, 28 Furway. Post these things. I don't know if you can hear that, but I can post these things because by the time anybody would ever watch this, you would not find me here. So it's got a little kitchen area. Let's see what our view's like, huh? It's just all the rain. Not much. And then the bedroom's gonna be on the other side. Here's the bathroom. It's pretty nice. Ooh, light there. And then the one bedroom. These doors are thin. Nothing to them. Let's see what this view is. Really dirty windows. Can't even really see out there. All right. Well, hey, if you like this video, thanks so much for watching this so far. This has been a really rough day for me. This is the third address I came to find this place because there's so many places with a similar name, Sheraton Village something, and they changed the word on you. And I had the wrong address from one of the emails. I don't know what the miscommunication was on that, but it's been a little frustrating, so I'm really tired. And I need to get ready and go to Disney World, so hey! Thanks so much again for watching this. If you liked the video, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Maybe better videos than red-eye flights get canceled. I don't know. But yeah, as always, take flight. Jeez. Man, I keep this at 66. Maybe drag. I don't know how you do this. What a good way to end a video, huh? It's like making a clicking noise, but you can't drag it.